Today is our holiday, so I wish you the best holidays. Now practice A and A. The first A. Back, value, jacket, catch, dad, chat, taxi, rabbit, fast, hatch, apple, tech. The fast cat wore a jacket. Pack your sack and bring your manners. He sang about an actor named Jack. A. Egg. Nest. Healthy. Spread. Every. Check. Necklace. Get. Entrance. Lettuce. Best. Red. Fence. Wealth. Friend. Bet. Better. Wrench. Ready. Acid. Headset. Resting on the edge of the bed. 10 letters from the enemy. Dennis will enter the festival. The message was given to the chef. Hello again, friends. Let's do a weather check. Well, whoever said temperatures are getting better get ready to spend a wet weekend in Tennessee. Oo and oo. The first oo. Brew, boob, rule, mood, new, pool, you, boob, use, food, moving, tooth, moon, grew, new, news, loosen, choose, loop, smooth, shoes, room. The room in the school was very cool. Tuesday at noon in the studio, viewing the moon on June 9th. Do you remember the woman who lived in a zoo? She hadn't got a clue what to do when her family grew. Well, through your help, they are moving in June into 2 big booths. Oh, put, shoot, shook, look, shoot, took, stood, book, cook, good, wool. He took a good look under the hood and found a flute. Julia enjoys good book. After school, he put his foot in the new boot. She took her students to the brook to wash their shoes. We pulled him out of the swimming pool. The pool ate until he was full. That is all. Thank you. Bye bye.